is an intensive country-wide campaign which will focus on citizen participation to be converted into Jan Andolan, where small changes at the local level will add up to significant national gains. It is an initiative of the Government of India to celebrate and commemorate 75 years of independence and progressive of India and the glorious history of its people, culture and achievements. The Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi inaugurated the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav by flagging off Dandi March from Sabarmati Ashram, Ahmedabad on 12th March 2021. The celebration started 75 weeks before our 75th anniversary of independence and will end on 15th of August 2023. The Department of Higher Education and Department of School Education and Literacy have planned various activities under Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. The activities planned by Department of School Education and Literacy are as follows. Shikshak Parv, focusing on the evolving role of teachers since independence. International webinar on India's unique toy-based pedagogy. Essay competitions, seminars, cycle rallies in every schools, school assemblies to focus on Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Special school badges with logo of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. National Initiative of Proficiency and Understanding Numeracy and Literacy in the National Mission of Achieving Foundational Literacy and Numeracy in 5 years. National Digital Education Architecture. A digital architecture to support teaching and learning activities, education planning, governance and administrative activities of the center and the state union territories in accordance with NEP 2020. Change in QB pattern in board exams. 10% change in class 12th and 20% change in class 10th in accordance with NEP 2020. Certification of approximately 24 lakhs elementary schools teachers for completing Nishtha. School nutrition guardians, teaching guardians and agriculture concepts and skills that integrate the several subjects such as maths, science, art, health and physical education and social studies, as well as several education goals including personal and social responsibilities. Launch of Vidyanjali portal connects volunteers, community, organization, etc. to schools. Launch of interesting yoga quiz under Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat story writing competition on the contribution of paired states of Indian states, struggle for freedom for children on MyGov platform. History through grandparents, all schools to participate. Launch of Nishtha models for secondary teachers and teachers at foundational levels. Introduction of optional one-time improvement exams in CBSE. School pass celebration of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav on social media and works of art, craft, music, dance and etc. on the occasion. Online music competition by Kendra Vidyalaya and Navodaya Vidyalaya on patriotic songs of paired states under Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat. Celebration of Rashtragan on Rashtragan Ekta Divas on 31st October under Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat. Pilot launch of new 4-year integrated BEDC program. Development of dictionary of approximately 2,000 words in ISL. International webinar on toy-based learning and pedagogy. Webinar on India's freedom. Activities planned by Department of Higher Education under the Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat program. 100 sentences in different Indian languages with audio will be learned by 75 lakh students, people through MyGov platform and Bhashan Sangam mobile app. After learning the language based on quiz, certificates will be provided to them. NBT will publish 75 books on freedom fighters. 75 HE is in different cities. Locations will be converted in 9 educational hubs using Blue Grant.